Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have been wondering why some songs in your Spotify app appear to be grayed out and they cannot be played, today in this video we'll see what we can do about it. So let's jump right into it. First, to make sure it's not an update issue and you don't have a very old version of Spotify, open your Play Store or App Store and make sure the app that you have of Spotify is up to date. Maybe that's the issue. Now, if that doesn't fix the problem for you, what you need to do is go to your settings and from here scroll down till you find apps, then search for Spotify. Now from here you need to go ahead and tap on clear data and then clear all data and cache as well. That should fix the problem, or at least that's how you make sure the problem is not from your end. Now you can do the latter from Spotify as well if you can't find it in settings or something. You can go to Spotify, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner, and then go to settings and privacy, scroll down, go to data saving and offline, and then you scroll down again and then you find clear cache right here. So do all of these, but if you still find or see grayed out songs, you can go to your Chrome browser and search for the same question, as you can see why some Spotify songs are grayed out, and you'll find your answer. That's how you know it's not from your end, it's from their end, and you can do nothing about it. If it says that it's usually due to licensing charges, regional restrictions, or local file sync errors. Maybe regional restrictions can be fixed with a VPN, but I cannot guarantee that. So that's basically the problem here. It's probably a licensing problem, and I see that with many popular songs, especially the old ones. And that's it for this video, guys. So you can just wait for the licensing problem to be fixed. Most songs will be grayed out for a while and then they come back to Spotify. And that's it again for this video. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.